So, you want to fix your Rain 4G speeds? Stay tuned. Welcome everyone. On this channel, we do tips, tricks, and how-to videos. So if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button on your way in. It's free and it really helps the channel out. So what are we gonna need for this to work? Firstly, we're gonna need a compatible Huawei router, one that supports B38 25 to 2600 MHz frequency. Number 2, we're gonna need external antennas, either the standard flat type or the outdoor antenna, such as the XPOL 6. A Windows computer to install and run the LTEView app. Some important tips. Not all Huawei routers are going to be compatible with the Rains B38 band. Simply Google search your model number with the word bands to find out if yours is compatible. B38 does not penetrate objects such as walls, so if you have the standard flat antennas, you may need to move the router itself to the window. You may also have to move the router in all directions to catch the signal. If you leave the router in the middle of the room, you will not get signal. That's an important tip, please don't forget it. Lastly, not all towers in your area are going to broadcast B38. Rain's default band is B3, which is always congested. So let's begin. I'm going to do a speed test with my router on default settings with the antenna. So I'll go to speedtest.net. I'm not even getting 1 megabit per second. As you can see, the speeds are bad. Download the LTEView app, linked in the description. Special thanks to proasm.com for supplying us with this tool. You can paste the link in your browser or simply click on it and your file will download automatically. Double click to open the file. Select all and extract to your desired folder. Now go to that folder and open the file that says application. This is what the LTEView interface looks like. On the top, you need to enter your router's login details, which is usually admin or username and password if you haven't changed it, and your IP address, and hit connect. Now all your router's information will be displayed. At the bottom, under antenna type, if it's set to auto, make sure it's on external, hit apply. Under network mode, change to 4G only. And under band, 2600 MHz band 38. Hit apply. Wait for the confirmation thumbs up, and now you're connected to B38. That's your signal. I'm gonna put a chart up so you guys can compare. The closer to the green, obviously better signal strength and quality. Now if your router, the light goes red and you have the standard flat antennas, you need to move the router to the windows, or else you will not catch the signal. If you've tried all that and it doesn't work, simply hit the reset button on the router and you will be back to default settings. Do a speed test. And as you can see, I'm getting over the promised speed of 10 megabits per second, which I'm happy with. Just remember, your upload speed is not going to be as good as it was on B3. That's just how B38 operates. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, don't forget, turn on the bell notifications and share this video on social media to help others out.